injector, Thanksgiving napkin, an apple, a whisk, a turkey baster with a brush, bang! This turkey baster can be an injector too. So cool. And then some little mini dessert plate things. But what I want to show you today is how I brine my turkey. Now I know I'm going to need a bunch of water. I'm going to start filling this thing called a crock pot. I'm going to use it for water right now. Cold, cold, cold water. This is my turkey. It's a young, fresh turkey. I'm going to call our turkey Jefferson. Either Bree Jefferson. Hey, I need to get one of those things. I'll get my sweatshirt dirty. So I'm going to use this thing. I want like a knife, a little one. There's like juice in here. I'm going to unjuice it. Unjuiced. Or juiced. It's juiced. Your dad is gonna bring out. 2, you almost killed my tea. Oh, well, there's a bag. That's why it felt weird. Got anything else in there? Jefferson? Nope. Got some wings. Oh, it does have a pop top. You guys, I was a little nervous because I didn't see a little pop top here. Pop top. So, this is actually really big, or I don't really need it, or rinse it out. I want to rinse out. So I'm gonna brine the turkey. Basically means I'm gonna put it in salt water and ice. It's kind of grosser than I remember. Turkey, turkey. We gotta add more ice. One more. Wow. Our turkey is in a really nice ice bath. Now that our turkey is totally submerged in the water, don't worry, I know how you feel. I remember that day. The ice bath. Now that it's in the ice bath, we have to add some salt. I don't really know why you brine things. I guess I've only browned a turkey. I'm not exactly sure why you do this. This is the only way I know how to cook a turkey. Babe, where's the salt?
In the cabinet.
In the cabinet. That's the business. Oh, I could have fun with this one. Put a lid on it. Always cover it, people. Keep it covered. And then you call your muscle over. Say, I need your muscle. Say hi.
Hi.
I need you to pick this up and put it out on the porch because it's colder out there so the ice will last longer.
Oh, wow. Oh man, that is heavy.
We will see tomorrow how my turkey turns out. You actually have to leave it brined, I think, overnight. At least that's what I did that other time. Came out really good. Why do you brine a turkey? Why would you want to do that? I know you have to brine it, you have to brown it. It's very complex. This is why people only have Thanksgiving once a year. I swear, they don't want to sit there and do all the shenanigans. But you know what? For my husband, I'll make that happen. Catch you guys later. Bye!
Morning.
I had to wake up a couple times and put some ice in the turkey, but it's still good. I didn't want it to freeze outside. What do you think, Kitan? Go out with Dad? I made my little concoction of spices and things. Now I'm gonna put Jefferson into his pan.
Your name?
Yeah. Isn't that what you're supposed to do? You name the turkey.
Jefferson, you taste real good.
Jefferson's looking real comfy in there. Now, what I want to do with you, Jefferson, do you want to do this part? Come stab him?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I want to stab something. Look, he's getting pulled apart. So it's all injected and smoothed out, and yeah, some of the juices came out, but that's okay. Oven is preheated. Now, we take the apple pieces and the onion and we shove it in. A friend of mine gave me this recipe for gravy. So good, exclamation point. My girl Brittany came up with this. Well, she's the one who gave this to me. I don't know if she's the original. I don't have a backup plan for gravy, so I hope this works. Let's do this. 3 to 4 large sweet potatoes. 1 to 2 large purple onions. I got white ones, not purple ones. Peel and cut tomatoes and onions into 1/4 place around the turkey at the base of the pan. When the turkey is done, take the potatoes and the onions, put into the blender, take the juices from the turkey, add to the blender, add the juice until its consistency, like in the gravy, has been achieved. I shall play your game. Got onions in the turkey, so I'm just gonna assume that's okay. I may or may not mess up the gravy. Little hover in action there. You get to see the apples and the onions and the sweet potato, and you want it to hover around. Don't actually touch the turkey. Are you excited?
Yep.
Do you want me to pull out the rack, or are you just gonna go for it? Got my turkey man. He is going to be placing the turkey into the oven. First turkey ever. Go for it. Now we gotta set it for 2.5 hours. How do you set this thing? Sorry. Perfect. We'll see how it comes out. Meanwhile, I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna go fix my nails, and I'm gonna go fix my face. Blech. Say hi to the people.
Okay, where's the camera?
Right there.